Children, very warm and welcoming good evening. It is my privilege to be your teacher. I am Subhash Chandra Mishra. You are well known to me. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of Vistas, that is the third level, and its writer is Jack Finney. Two lines about the writer. Children, Jack Finney's original name was Walter Braden Finney. The author of the time travel novel Time and Again and the science fiction thriller The Body Snatcher. Lived up to the ripe age of 84, he first showed interest in time travel in the short story collection. The third level, Jack Finney specialized in works of science fiction and thrillers. This is a very beautiful story by him. This story is going to deal with the protagonist character Charlie. Charlie was a character who was in pressure of the daily routine job and was not able to sustain his life beautifully. So, to escape from the daily life and the hurdles of life, Charlie coined third level. Third level, first of all, I would like to tell you about third level. It is a level at Grand Central Railway Station of America. Children, there were only two levels, the first level and the second level, while Charlie coined the third level. Charlie talks about third levels and he bets the bet and says that there is the existence of third level. Though he challengingly says that all the presidents of USA Railway will say with full confidence there is only first and second. But Charlie states that he had been to third level, so there is the existence of third level. One day, while coming from his office in summer, he was very keen to reach his home early, so he did not avail the bus and he went by subway. When he went by subway, then he was able to reach to the third level. When he reached third level, and what he found there a stack of newspaper, and those newspapers had the story about President Cleveland, and it was the world dated June 11, 1894. Children, he was able to confirm about this particular newspaper by going to the library and from library searching the paper of the date. The same edition paper was there in the library. He was very much anxious to reach third level. That's why Charlie bought his $300 to fetch the old style currency, so that by having old style currency or bill, he would be able to go to third level by buying two tickets, one for by himself and one for his wife, Loisa. Children, he was very much anxious to reach third level. He differentiates the third level with first and second level and tells that third level is quite different in old style. The ticket collector room is very small. The ticket also of the different size of old style, and the money which is being exchanged with tickets, that money is also of old style. And the people of third level were wearing derby hats, old time style uniforms, clothes as 4-button suit and other things. The persons who are wearing on the first and second level, those are of latest styles. On the other hand, third level's station structure is also of different standard. The light is flickering light of gas light. The spittoons are of brass, and the engine is also of old style engine, as having a funnel, and to be observed as the old engine of coal and steam power. Children, what he says when his wife took him to the psychiatrist, Sam, doctor, he was his friend also. Then, from coming there, his wife consoled Charlie and insisted him not to think about third level again. Charlie was somewhere convinced, but he met and on weekend with Sam talked about third level. And later on, when he was turning back his stamp collections, among those he got a first day cover. In that first day cover was a letter that was signed by Sam, and Sam has signed this letter from Gatesburg, Illinois. He states that, Charlie, I am able, this is stated by Sam. Sam states that Sam was able to reach third level and insisted Charlie to keep on his searching. As far as the lesson is concerned, it is an intersection of time and place, children. 100 years back and current time. These two things had Jack Finney tried to express in this story. This is a marvelous story, and in this marvelous story, what we get, that is, the reality of life should not bar us from struggling. This is the main theme, main message of this story. I think that you people studied this beautifully and will help you in your happy learning. May God bless you. May success marry you. Have a very, very lovely day ahead. Thank you and good day.